Welcome to another AssetsFX tutorial video. Today we will show how to deposit in an AssetsFX account. Step 1. Visit the official website of AssetsFX at AssetsFX.org and log into your account by clicking on the Client Login section. Step 2. Once you've entered your login credentials, your account dashboard will appear. Step 3. Click on the Deposit section, where you'll see two options: Deposit Money and Deposit History. Step 4. To deposit funds, click on Deposit Money and select your preferred payment method from the available options. Step 5. After selecting your payment method, you'll be taken to a dashboard where you'll see your account number. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in the Enter Amount field and include any applicable promo codes. Once you've entered the amount and reviewed the details, click the Submit button to initiate the deposit. Step 6. A pop-up window will appear showing you the conversion rate and related details. Confirm your deposit by clicking Pay Now and follow the instructions to contact the support team if necessary. Step 7. After submitting the deposit request, you'll receive a confirmation email with details about your pending deposit. Step 8. Once your deposit is confirmed and processed, you'll receive another email notifying you that the deposit has been credited to your trading account. You can then check your MT4 MT5 account section to view your live account balance.